If you're dealing with shoulder blade pain or lower back pain, try this move every night before bed to relieve the pain. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent on your bed. Cross your right foot over your left knee. Now gently twist your body to the right, letting your legs fall to the side. Press your hand into the floor a little bit wider than your shoulders. From here, do 10 slow push-ups, feeling the stretch behind your shoulder blade and along your lower back. Take your time, keep breathing, and focus on the tension releasing through your upper back and spine. Bring your body back to the center, switch sides. Do the same movement on the other side. This move improves shoulder blade mobility and stability. Open your chest and release stiffness around your spine and lower back. It is simple, effective, and perfect for pain relief at the end of the day. Do this every night before bed for better mobility, a stronger back, and a pain-free body.